Mr. Chairman.
Thank you po.
And last, Mr. Chairman, may we request the DPWH, Mr. Chairman, regarding the pinaka pondo na the street lights in the bypass bridge, Mr. Chairman, because I think I mentioned this a few years ago, Mr. Chairman, at naperdi di gito idi Bagyo. Until now, Mr. Chairman, they have not replaced the lights in the bridge, Mr. Chairman.
Baka mabalin tayo nga obra na po RJ, DJ nakikikatan DJ sodium lights DJ Gilbert Bridge. Baka mabalin tayo nga i-relocate at APOSEC, please also coordinate the matter raised by Honorable RJ regarding the bridge in the bypass road apo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nga nasipngit talaga una ijay kit delegado ti motorist apo no at the temporary nga solution tayo nga mabalin tayo nga i-provide apo.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the DPWH, po, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Honorable